What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I have an unboxing for you, and that unboxing is the Olsa Tools 3-piece 360 smooth rotation universal joint socket adapter set. So Olsa Tools was actually kind enough to send this over, so big mahalos to them for sending that over, taking a chance on me and helping in hopes that I can get out this product for them. So thank you guys again for sending this over. So I'll be showing you a little bit about the box, what's on it. You got all what it includes, description, name, part number. Part number on that is going to be 1243. Different languages. Also tools. So not much on there. Everything's on the front and the top. Alright, so let's open it up. So today I got my CSGO knife. It was actually a butterfly trainer, but I ended up shaving it down, sanding it, and sharpening it, so it actually didn't turn out too bad. Yes, let's open it up. So I'm really excited about this because as I was doing some research, it did look really nice. And what I was actually, excited about was the rail it comes on. Comes on an aluminum rail, and the rail in the pictures look really nice. And I noticed that a lot of universal joint socket sets, they usually just come with 3, nothing with a rail or anything to hold it down, so that was actually really nice as well. So this set actually comes in a 1/4 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/2 inch, and they're actually really nice. They're made of CRV steel, so it's supposed to be durable. They have what is that, spring-loaded clips right here, so your sockets won't fall off if dropped or whatnot. And the thing I like about universal joints that I like to look at is that universal joints, when there's a fastener in a weird angle, what I want is from a universal joint is something that sticks. So if, let's say, I put the socket on and I'm trying to get that socket at an angle, I would want my universal joint to be able to hold that position, so I can get my extension in there with the socket on, and it holds that angle till I get there, and then it'll fit on there, and then from there I could start working my way and the universal joint will do its thing. So that's actually really nice. It likes to stay in that position. Yeah, like I said before, it's made of CRV steel, and it is covered by a limited lifetime warranty. So that limited lifetime warranty covers any manufacturer defects. So I think we're in good hands here with this Olsa Tools universal joint socket set. If you want to take a better look at it, there's Olsa Tools engraved right there, and CRV, and each one actually has their own different part numbers. So the 3/8 is 1245, the 1/2 inch is 1246, and the 1/4 inch is 1244. Anyway, guys, that was the unboxing for the Olsa Tools universal joint socket adapter set, part number 1243. And I hope you guys took something out of it. If you guys do decide to order one of these, at least you guys will see what it comes with and a little more about the sockets. Like, hope you got to see a little more about the universal joint sockets before you buy them. So far they actually look really nice, and I can't wait to actually start using them. So the only thing I really see that might be bad is the size, but I think we might be able to work around that. So again, I'll make a follow-up video after using these for about a month, and then from there you guys can stay tuned and watch that as well. So thank you guys again for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, thank you. Big mahalos to Olsa Tools for sending this out. If you guys liked this video or found this video informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Check out some of my other unboxing videos, linked in the description above, and also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!